In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and manage products in bulk on Shopify using a Product Information Management, or PIM, system. This process can significantly streamline your operations and ensure your product data is consistent across your Shopify store. We'll be using CSV files and PM integrations to achieve this. So let's dive right in. First, it's essential to prepare your product data meticulously. Start by gathering all the necessary information about each of your products. You'll want to collect details like the product title, description, price, images, and any other relevant attributes that might be crucial for your store. With your data in hand, you'll need to create a CSV file. You can use a spreadsheet program such as Google Sheets or Excel to organize your product information. Shopify conveniently provides a CSV template, guiding you on how each column should align with the corresponding fields in your Shopify store, such as matching title in your CSV to title in Shopify. This step is crucial to ensure that during the import, all data is mapped accurately. Once your CSV file is ready, it's time to import it using Shopify's built-in tool. Head over to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section where you will find an Import button. Click it, and when prompted, choose your prepared CSV file to start the upload process. Shopify will guide you through mapping the fields from your CSV to its product fields. Be sure to carefully follow these prompts to maintain data accuracy. After completing this, review the import summary for any issues, and once you're satisfied, confirm the import process. To enhance your product data management, consider utilizing a PIM system. Selecting a reliable PIM solution like a Pimeo, a FlexPoint, or PIM Core is crucial as these systems offer seamless Shopify integrations. Once you've selected your PIM, follow the necessary instructions to connect it to your Shopify store. In the PIM system, map your product data fields, which will help automate the data syncing between the PIM and Shopify. This connection ensures that any updates you make in the PIM system reflect automatically on your Shopify store, keeping your store's product data up to date effortlessly. After you've completed these steps, review your imported products on Shopify to verify everything has transferred correctly. Monitoring the sync status within your PIM system is also essential to ensure that data continues to flow smoothly. And if you encounter any errors during these processes, don't hesitate to consult the PIM system's documentation or reach out to support for guidance. By using a PIM system in conjunction with Shopify's import functionality, you can efficiently manage your product catalog, automate updates, and keep your online store's product information consistent and accurate across all your channels. This toolset is invaluable for any business looking to scale its e-commerce operations with ease and precision.